Good morning and welcome to the grand opening of your PSD Manufacturing Lab. Our students have the curiosity and now the skills, the ability, and the courage to take a more active role in a rapidly changing world.
At the Poudre School District, embedded in our strategic plan is the belief that every single student should graduate with options. This new advanced manufacturing lab is a game changer. It blurs the lines between industry, the workforce, and our classrooms. It is the result of strong partnerships and a shared community vision, a regional vision.
We're celebrating a shared belief in what's possible when we invest in our youth.
This space will not only equip students, but also is an opportunity for businesses to continue to play a key role in partnering to offer industry-specific, work-based learning opportunities.
When I think about innovative programming, when I think about what the future of high school looks like, this is it right here.
And now, we'd like to proudly open your PSD Manufacturing Lab. Cut that ribbon.
To our students, this is for you. This is only the beginning.